Welcome to AGORACOM, the small cap epicenter in AGORACOM TV, a daily fast-paced, edgy show being the best press release of the small cap space every morning at the open, so you can hopefully profit from them and maybe find your next great small cap investments. Tuesday, July the 5th, I want to wish a belated happy Canada Day to all of our Canadian friends and belated July 4th to all of our American friends. As you can see, even I'm going through a bit of a renovation here, so you might be hearing a bit of an echo. I've got three great press releases for you. First up, big news out of Pele Mountain Resources. My friend Al Shevsky trades in the venture under GEM, G-E-M, and for our friends in the U.S. under G-O-L-D-F. That's Gold F. They announced a 4-3-101 preliminary economic assessment. This for the Echo Ridge Rare Earths and Uranium Project. Looks like $1.31 billion in pre-tax cash flow, $660 million in net present value, 47% internal rate of return. The company says this preliminary economic assessment demonstrates that Echo Ridge has potential to become a profitable producer of rare earth oxides and uranium oxide. The project located in Elliott Lake, Ontario, great place to be. The company says it's the only Canadian mining camp to ever achieve commercial rare earth oxide production. Historically, an important source of heavy rare earth oxides in North America. And if you know a little bit about rare earths, it's the heavies where the real value is located in. Some of the highlights, there are a ton of them. I'm going to give you a couple here because I like big numbers. Cumulative operating cash flow, $1.72 billion. Cumulative pre-tax cash flow, $1.3 billion. Startup capital cost, $212 million. Sustaining capital cost, $195 million. That's important to know because in order to get this resource out of the ground, you want to know how much it's going to cost. And it is going to cost quite a bit of money. But nowadays, between debt and equity available out there, it shouldn't be that big of a problem when they make that decision. The company 100% owns Echo Ridge, both the rare earth and uranium project. They say it's one of the very few North American rare earth deposits that has completed a 4-3-101 PEA with robust economics. Now, they closed just for the holidays on Thursday, 19 cents. This morning, look at this. We haven't opened trading yet. 24.5 bid, 24.5 ask on 19 shares. Talking about 5 cents, 1 quarter. It's already up 25% if it holds its bid and ask in strong demand, 148,500 shares. Their 52-week range, 8.5 on the low, 69 cents on the high. Market cap, just $25 million. That explains, and now bid and ask up to 25 cents. I'm going to keep an eye on that. Congratulations to Al Shevsky and his team over at Pele. Great news out of them. Next up, Avion Gold, big board TSX AVR, and for our friends in the U.S., AVGCF. They announced an initial mineral reserve of 913,000 ounces of gold, supporting a 5-year mine life at their Tabakoto project in Mali. The company says this is initial mineral reserve estimation for 7 deposit groups and several ore stockpiles. They've got a ton of highlights. Go take a look at those. Something you should know, though, the company holds 80% of the Tabakoto and Segala gold projects in Mali. They started gold production there in 2009. They did about 51,000 ounces. 2010, 87,000 ounces. So they're going in the right direction. I like this news. Closed on Thursday. Remember, it's a holiday in Canada. $1.09 on Friday, $1.99. 52-week range, 208 on the high, 42 on the low. As of this morning, Avion is actually trading down 2 pennies, and Pele Mountain has opened up 50% higher, 28.5 cents. Right now, up 9.5 cents on 221,000 shares. The news is gangbusters. Avion, just to go back to this, down a penny on 193,000 shares. Still early, but good volume. I like that. And finally, out of the U.S., Lithium Corporation, LTUM on the OTC. They're reporting what they're calling significant results at their Fish Lake project. They've received very positive, that's their words, very positive results from the second phase of sampling from the spring work program at their Fish Lake Valley project. They're saying these results have better defined an anomalous area that is 1.3 miles wide by 2 miles long, averaging 80 milligrams per liter of lithium, it looks like. But within this anomalous area, it encapsulates a more enriched zone. They're saying more enriched zone, which measures about 0.87 miles by 1.05 miles. Average content there, 122.5 milligrams per liter of lithium. Its project is located in Nevada, closed on Friday, 24.5 cents. $1.92, 52-week high. Big carnage there. 6.5 on the low. The company this morning up 2 cents to 25 cents on 25,600 shares. So it looks like we've got good green across the board here when it comes to the news coming out of AGORACOM TV. That's a wrap. As always, quality over quantity. 3 great press releases for you. Pretty good considering we're coming right out of the long weekend in North America. If you look for more great small cap resource news, you watch this on Globe Investor. Then look below me or to the left of me to take a look at the news we've covered over the past few days. Otherwise, if you're not already there, get to the front page of AGORACOM, watch this show, take a look at the headlines to my right, and get into our marketplace to discover your next great small cap stock. That's a wrap. Have a great day. See you tomorrow.